What is going on, everybody? So I am here with a Maytag Centennial commercial technology washing machine, and the part number to this particular machine is that right there. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I am having a problem where this machine does not fill with a lot of water. And basically, this machine is a sensoring machine. It sensors the weight of the clothes and distributes the correct amount of water into this machine. And the reason why that is because it's one of the high efficiency ones. Because the water level is so low, there's nothing wrong with the machine because that is how they're built. So my problem is when I put the clothes inside the machine, the top layer of the clothes does not get cleaned properly. It gets wet because the machine constantly spins even as it fills the water. But the problem is that it doesn't go all the way to the bottom and it doesn't wash properly because there's not enough water. And the way it censors all the weight is by this little thing right here. All the weight goes onto that and it senses the weight of the clothes as it spins before the water starts flowing, and as the water starts flowing it gets a little bit heavier but does not pour enough. Now I was thinking there's a problem with the panel, but turns out it's not. My problem is that how I tried to figure out if there's a pressure control switch on this machine. Now I did a lot of research, I read a lot of forums, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos trying to figure out, but the machines that I've been finding are not particular these ones. This one has the deep clean, the temperature, all your settings, your fabric softener, and extra rinse. All the sensories are down here with the lid lock and then the start button and pause and cancel. Now since I could not find anything reliable online, I decided to take apart the machine. If you're wondering where the knobs are, they're right there because I've been trying to take apart this whole machine. So just for a video for your reference on where the pressure control switch is, there is none on this machine, and I will show you. So when I took apart this machine, basically this is what you see in the back here. So there's the main circuit board, which is this, and these are all the switches on the top there that I showed you. So this is where the hot and cold line comes in. So I was looking here and I found this hose that runs to the board and it comes all the way down here, keeps going all the way down there. So when I saw the videos online, and even the service manual even states that there is a pressure control switch somewhere around here, but only to certain models, not in this particular model because there is no pressure control switch, and I will show you. So I thought that if I follow this hose, maybe it'll be somewhere down here, but it's not. So following the hose from the top all the way down, keep going, and that's where it ends, and right in the bucket. So there is no pressure control switch. The pressure control switch is actually digital. It's built into this board, so there's no way to adjust the water level to what you want it to be because of that situation. So just for anyone who decides that they want to take apart the machine to find out if their pressure control switch, and you have this particular machine, I've already done that just for your reference to show you that there is no pressure control switch. Everything is digital and you literally have no way of adding extra water into this machine. Alright, all underneath there basically carries the motor and all the actuator and everything, but no switch. So if you want to add more water, the only way I can make a suggestion to you is, which you're probably already doing, is probably pouring extra water in there with a bucket or a jug or something, or filling it up with a pipe. My idea is what I'm going to do is attach an extra line to the pipe and fill up water in here, because I've been using a bucket, which is right there, and that's just getting really annoying and really heavy every time to pour it in there, especially when you have a lot of laundry to do. So if you are interested in figuring out how to get extra water in here, that is the only suggestion that I can make that I know of after all this research that I've been doing. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and just let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for me, comment below and let me know. Take care.